Hey guys, welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make a no glue paper slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last video is also, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Let's get right into the video. So, what is no glue paper slime? No glue paper slime is slime made out of a paper product that can be toilet paper, paper towels, or regular like notebook paper. And then you add another ingredient into there. It can be either like a soap or a shampoo or a body wash, and you make this super awesome like putty butter like texture. This is one of my favorite no glue slime recipes. I made this a while ago and you guys seem to love it so much that I kept bringing it back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue paper towel slime. But you can also use toilet paper for this. You can use regular notebook paper, whatever you want. So the ingredients you guys need to make this no glue slime recipe today is any type of soap. I'm just using this hand soap. You guys will need paper, of course. I'm just using paper towel. You guys need a bowl or plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. So let's get making this no glue slime recipe. I'm first going to get out my bowl or plate and I'm going to get adding in my soap. I'm just using this hand soap and I picked this up from the Dollar Tree. That was so odd to put in there, like it was making these weird noises. But now I'm going to get out my paper towel, and you can use toilet paper for this. You can use paper towel like what I'm using, or you can just use like printing paper. And I'm just going to get shredding it up just like this. A putty like butter texture like slime, and I'm just going to get mixing it in, and you want to slowly add in the paper. You guys can also go in with your hands. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm just kneading it in there just to make like a dough like texture. As you can see, just mixing it up. Okay, I added the last bit of the paper towel in there, and this is how it looks. So as you can see, it looks like a dough like texture, which is what you want. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to stop kneading this, and I'm going to go ahead and put this into my refrigerator. I'm going to put it into the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours. Every 30 minutes, I'm going to take it out and actually knead it up to make it like a butter-like texture. So then when I'm all done, I'll show you guys how this looks. So remember, 2 to 3 hours in the refrigerator. So I'll see you guys in about a second when this is all done. Guys, I never really add what happens when I take it out of the refrigerator in the videos, but here is it after literally like 2 hours. As you can see, this happens to me too. It's all over my hands. This is so messy, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep kneading it, and then I'm going to put this back into the refrigerator, and I want to make sure I get all this into the bowl. I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands. It's literally just soap and, well, the toilet paper, like paper towel mixture. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, but I just want to show you guys. It does mess up for me sometimes too, but all I have to do is put this back into the refrigerator. So I'll see you guys in about a second. Okay guys, about 2 to 3 hours later, and lots of kneading. This was quite a messy no glue slime recipe today. Here is the slime. I'm still kneading it as I'm going with the video, and will this focus? Okay, there we go. But here is a no glue slime. It is so sticky today. I don't know what happened with this, but this literally shows that no glue slime recipes do go wrong sometimes. As you can see, a lot of the toilet paper is not mixed in all the way, but it low-key turned out really good. I'm like trying to like grab all of like the residue like soap mixture in there, but here is the no glue slime. I'm really happy about how this turned out. It's so buttery, but it is super sticky. So let me get kneading this right now. Guys, when I say this recipe needs a lot of kneading, it needs a lot of kneading. This is how sometimes no glue slime recipes turn out, but I'm so excited with the end result of this. Look at this no glue slime. It's still pretty sticky, as you can tell by my hands, but this is how you make no glue paper slime. I'm so happy with how this is. The toilet paper still needs a little bit more kneading in there, as you can tell, like, you know, looks a little crazy. Like, what is that piece of toilet paper? I don't even know. But this is how you make a no glue paper slime. I really hope you guys like this recipe today. And this is like probably one of my best no glue toilet paper slimes. Even though it was so messy to make, it turned out really, really great. I always forget to show like how clicky the slimes can be, but here it is. Like me just like playing with it on the table. The slime is so awesome. But I really hope you guys test out this recipe and let me know in the comments what other no-glue slime recipes you guys want to see from me, because I did mix up this one today and I'm really happy with how it turned out. But I would love some new suggestions for new no-glue slime recipes, and if my comments are off, please go put it over on my community page. I always post there once my videos are up, and that's where you guys can go and put hashtag notification squad as well. But thank you guys so much for watching this video today. Remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Bye guys, I love you so much in peace. Remember to check out all my social medias. They will be linked down below, and I'm going to be posting so many YouTube shorts this week, so go check those out as well. Bye guys.
Thank you.